In this video, I'll show you how to use Midjourney in 2026. Midjourney is an AI image generation platform that can help you create unique visuals from text prompts. You can use it for AI art, creative projects, concept designs, wallpapers, illustrations, and many other types of images. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to the official Midjourney website. Sign in to your Midjourney account and open the main workspace. Once you're inside, take a moment to explore the interface. Depending on the current version of Midjourney, you may see options for creating images, viewing your creations, organizing projects, and adjusting available settings. To generate your first image, start a new creation and enter a text prompt describing what you want to see. For example, you could describe a futuristic city at night, a realistic landscape, a fantasy character, or a professional product scene. When writing your prompt, include important details such as the subject, environment, lighting, camera style, colors, mood, and overall visual style. After entering your prompt, generate the image and wait for Midjourney to process your request. Once the results appear, review the different variations and choose the one that best matches your idea. If the result is exactly what you wanted, refine your prompt and try again. You can make the description more specific by adding details about composition, perspective, lighting, or artistic style. You can also use the available editing and variation features to refine an image instead of starting completely from scratch. For example, you may want to create variations of a design, change a particular area, or explore different visual interpretations of the same idea. As you become more comfortable, experiment with different prompt structures and image styles. Remember that AI-generated images may not always follow your instructions perfectly. Check details such as text, hands, objects, faces, and other important elements before using an image professionally. If you're creating images for commercial projects, also review Midjourney's current terms and usage rules to understand how your generated content can be used.